please join us today. It's 4th of July, 2022. Jack and I are taking a little bro trip, little fish trip. Just a basic trip, didn't catch no monsters, but hey, wanted to show you how we fish, where we fish, and the time we spend together. Take a kid fishing. You know what? It's a lot of fun. It's relaxing, and they learn so much. Jack's come so far in fishing. He does usually outfish me. Join us today and see who outfishes who. And then I'm going to pull up a little clip from some fish that we cooked up from an ice fishing trip. We'll show you how we cook them up. All right, please join us. There's a mouse in our boat. Look it, there's the mouse. It was in our boat, now it's swimming in. Let's see if a bass gets it.
Bass.
Wouldn't that be something if a big old monster bass just splashed out and took it? It might.
Oh, scared me.
There it is, right there.
Any more?
1-0. All right, here we go.
No,
Let's.
it's actually 2-1.
Why? What'd you catch? Well, we're caught in this lake only, this trip. This bro trip, it's 1-0 Gramps. Struck the crappie, and I got one on my boat. Check it out, Jack. How big is that gill? There we go, baby. We're cranking. Crap, look at this. I caught a dogfish, and he ain't barking. Holy Toledo. Check it out. That's a dogfish. They're actually kind of considered a bad fish. They actually aren't good. They tear up good fish beds and stuff. I don't think I'll throw it back. What you got, Jack? Let's see. Oh, it's a monster. It's a monster. Right, Jackson stole my spot. What do you got? What do you got? Wow. They're getting bigger.
3-2.
What?
3-2. Yeah, 3-2.
Okay.
No, 3-1.
You got one, Jack? Wow, how many is this now, Jack?
I don't know, but I know I'm beating you.
Oh, yeah, we always know that.
Look how small of a crappie.
All right, bring it here.
That's a
Yeah, nice. Nice little bass. Good job,
secret,
buddy.
but go tell a friend.
Goodness, it's a bluegill, and I snagged him. He must have been coming after it. He got snagged. Hey, Jack, it's dark 30. What do you think? It's getting close to dark 30. How many we got? Looks like a bucket full, huh? You know why? If you'd lower that, let some slack out, you wouldn't be fighting yourself on that. You're fighting yourself. Your line's too taut.
Swallowed
Yeah, Jack.
Yep.
Another gill. Another bill gill. It's a nice one, huh? What are you catching them on? A little jig?
I just do a horrible cast.
You know, if you let,
This on hook, I can show you my cast. One sec, guys.
let your line down a little, it'll be easier to get that off. You got too much tension on your line.
I'll show you. So,
Let me see the jig. Let your line out and let me see it. Show them what we're catching.
can you put
He's
that thing
catching
back
it.
up on it?
Yeah, we'll slide that back up. There we go. Slid her back on there. There you
And
go.
we'll show you the cast.
You got
every
an
single-
enormous swivel snap, but that's all right. Well, I guess that's not enormous.
Look it. So guys, look, we got that many, but watch this. This is how you catch the fish.
Okay.
So you just gotta go literally like that,
Right next to the boat.
and then go like this.
Show us the technique, Jack.
And take another cast. Not every cast, but like literally, like you take one cast, you won't catch it, but every like other cast you'll get one.
So you're just dropping it next to the boat.
Yep. Come on, fishy fishies.
Well, I think you might have jinxed yourself.
But when you're gonna turn that camera off, they're all gonna start biting.
Is that how it works? Okay.
I gotta let it sink for a little.
Show us how it's done. Maybe we're drifting too far out in the middle. I think we're drifting too far out in the middle. We need to go back in a little bit. It is dark 30. Even the camera light came on. Jack, it is dark 30. It is time to head in. Look at that.
See, these fish are all...
The mosquitoes are gonna tear us up. Run, Forrest, run! What are you doing, Jackaloni?
Their fish are still alive. You said they're
You're alive?
Okay, look at, let me pick one up. Get stabbed. Now let me drop it.
All right, time for a fish fry. We're gonna have a Saturday night fish fry. That's a crappie. That's a speck. It's a speck of a fish. All right, let's rock. What are you getting?
I just put down the next victim.
The next victim. Yep, that's about it.
We had a dozen fish. And look how much this is how much meat we got off this tiny perch.
Show the tiny perch. Show the big fillet. No, show the big fillet off the bigger one, which wasn't a really big bluegill. That's what you get. You don't get a lot off these little bluegills.
But look how much fish we have. I caught this. This was my first ever fish out of the ice.
Perch. Yep. That one won't be too bad. The one perch is way too little. That's a nice bluegill right there.
Which one?
All right. So the next victim. Jack says we're cleaning the next victim. All right. We gotta love it. Hey, I don't think I'm wasting much. Maybe a little bit, but you don't get a whole lot off of these guys. You know? It is what it is.
This video is sponsored by Fryin MAGIC.
Nice. Jack and Bubba are having a fish fry. Those fish, don't those look yummy? Just yummy, yummy, yummy. Jackson's first fish fry, bluegill. What do you say, Jack? You like it?
I love it.
Jackson thinks it's awesome. His first fish fry with Gramps from, well, ice fishing, fish fry, bluegills. I don't think we've ever eaten bluegills. We usually let the fish go in the summer.
Yep.
So,
Winter time.
This way, wider angle. Boy versus dog.
You can't get me.
Is it Luna?
You can't catch me. You can't
Luna, is that your tuna? It's the hunt for the Red October. Can she find the boy blunder? Where'd he go, Luna? Luna, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd the boy go? Which way did he go? Which way did he go? Woohoo!
Hey, Luna.
Which way did he go? Which way did he go?
Hey, Luna.
For joining us today. I hope you enjoyed the fish clips. And please, take a kid fishing. And if you like the videos, turn on your notifications and subscribe to the channel. And check out our other playlist, Giant Pumpkins, Bubbas Home Fix-It Tips. Jackson and I just installed a shower up at Higgins Lake, did a little fishing. Check out that video. I'll put a link in the description box. But hey, thanks for joining us. Everybody have a happy 4th of July. Remember, when celebrating the 4th, put away the 5th. There's no reason to spoil the holiday. Have a nice, safe, sober holiday. And be safe. Thanks for joining us.